Hi, my name is Kathryn Gomes. I'm the author of Apologia Math, and in this video, I want to give you some ideas for the Unit 4 skills practice for Level 3. So the skills practice for Unit 4 is to rehearse the 2s, 5s, and 10s division facts. Now, this really mirrors Unit 3 where we learned those multiplication facts. That's intentional, but you might be thinking, but my child also learned the 3s and 4s multiplication facts. Why aren't we doing those division facts? Well, the reason for that is that Unit 4, data and measurement, is a little bit of a shorter unit in terms of the lessons in the student book. So I didn't want to give too much crammed into that time for the skills practice. So we're just dividing by 2, dividing by 5, and dividing by 10. There's a bunch of ways that you can practice. Of course, you can use flashcards, okay? Quick, easy. You could do flashcard war if you like, or just do flashcards. Just pre-sort them so that you have a stack that's just 2s, 5s, and 10s, and you're ready to go. You can also we have cut and stick worksheets on the Book Extras website. These are so simple. Okay, there's the questions, here's the answers. You cut them out and glue them. The reason I do these so often is it does scaffold it for kids so they can see all the answers and move things around. That's easier for kids than writing, even writing and erasing. It's easier if they can just move the answers to different spots. There's a game on the Book Extras website that I really love. I think it's a lot of fun. It's called Colored In. So let me show you the game board. It's a little bit unique. There's 2 games on one paper. So you need 2 players, and they are just going to color in a division fact that's true. So when they first go, there's lots of options like 45 divided by 5, and then they would color in the 9. But as you go, they have to really think to see if there's any facts left that they can do. And you win if you color in the last division equation. So I like this one because I think it's a little different than what kids are used to. And of course, you know, if you just want a division worksheet with the facts they're supposed to be practicing, we made a couple of those for you, okay? All right, also capture the square. I love capture the square. I think capture the square might be my favorite math game. So if you're familiar with how you play capture the square, normally you put lines around dots, and whoever puts the 4th line and makes a square captures that square. If you capture the most squares, you win. And this is explained in the student book because they play it for one of their activities. How you're going to do it for the skills practice is first you're going to sort out so that you only have flashcards that are 2s, 5s, and 10s. When it's your turn, you pick a flashcard. 50 divided by 10 is 5. You'll look on the board. Anywhere that there's a 5, you'll draw a line. I'm going to do it in bright purple here. Right here, okay? And then you'll keep going to see if you can capture that square. Like you take turns, and then if you put the last line, you put your initial. It gets fun because sometimes you can capture 2 squares at once or that type of thing. What I love about this game is that you can do it with just some of the division facts and not all of them, and then you can add in more fact families as you go. So that is the Unit 4 skills practice.